Good afternoon, Mr. President. Will the appointment of Secretary Angara in the policy shift in education like the K-12?
Maybe a little bit because the last time I spoke to him, just after we announced that he was going to be the next Secretary of DepEd, nag-usap kami. And there are two elements that we paid attention to specifically. Number one was the employability. If you remember, ginawa natin yung K-12 dahil hinahanap ang years of training sa ating mga nag-a-apply. At sinasabi dito sa Pilipinas kulang dahil 10 years lang, kailangan 12 years. Okay, so that was the reason we did it, para employable yung mga graduate natin. Pero kung titignan natin, ang naging resulta, hindi tumaas, hindi gumanda ang employability nila. So we have to do something else. Kaya we were examining things like mini courses, yung mga 3 buwan, 6 na buwan, 1 year, short courses, para sa mga specialty. But we have to coordinate with the private sector so that the private sector will have also be able to have a guaranteed supply of skilled workers that will be coming into their own industries. So yung ganong klaseng coordination ay importante. Dahil kung minsan meron tayong mga livelihood project na turuan nga ng livelihood pero wala namang trabaho pa rin. So tinitiyak namin na paglabas na may magandang pag-asa, magandang magkatrabaho, if not directly already to an industry employer. The second part that we are looking at, of course, are the results in the international objective test that we are getting, especially in the STEM subjects, because that's where we are falling behind, and that is the area that is most in demand right now because we're getting more and more technical. Kaya yun ang mga namin. But I reminded Senator Angara that the key to any successful program in the DepEd are the teachers.